Polytopia Beginner's Guide. I'm going to break down how to play and actually win your first game. First thing, pick a tribe that matches your style. If you want a fast expansion, go with something like the CNC or Bardur. Then, in those first few turns, focus on exploring and expanding. Send out your warrior or scout to uncover villages and expand your borders fast. Grab every village you can and build cities early, upgrading them where possible so your income or stars per turn grows quickly. Balance your economy. Don't spend all your stats on units. Make sure your cities keep growing and unlocking tech. Speaking of tech, prioritize early growth upgrades like forestry, hunting, or farming, depending on terrain. Then, techs that open better units or faster movement. Use your units wisely. Don't just spam warriors. Combine ranged, melee, and explorers. And push aggressively when your army is ready. Finally, always keep expanding and attacking until your opponents can't keep turn. Or go score based if it's a perfection game and you want to win by points before turn limit. Do that strategy and you'll win your first Polytopia game way faster than most new players.